Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we had new all-time high on ES. You can see right here, we updated the all-time high, and I think it's just a matter of time until we see NQ updates the all-time high too. So on NQ, you can see we had this very bullish daily close. We reclaimed this so-called bull support for me. And I think it's a matter of time we clear this liquidity first, and then we think about the all-time high on NQ. So structurally very bullish, 4-hour chart, 12-hour, 1 day. Yeah. So next logical supply area is 26,150, basically 142 to 50 area. We'll see a reaction here. And of course, this week is going to be very important as it is CPI approaching, CPI and PPI. So on Tuesday, CPI and core CPI, on Wednesday, PPI numbers, and we have job numbers on Thursday, which is not very important as last week we had the unemployment rate already. So yeah, expecting some movement for this week. And if we open the sentiment chart, you can see we are neutral pretty much. And put to call ratio, we had that short covering on Friday. You can see the whole move, I think, mostly it was a short cover. But of course, CPI can change a lot of things and we can have another short squeeze throughout the markets. As you can see, volatility is still being compressed to the downside. So yeah, we had that volume balance on 16 area still wide open, but yeah, we had this huge sell-off on VIX. So volatility is still compressed and it's gonna stay, I think, compressed until the next OPEX, which is in 2 weeks, and until FOMC basically. So yeah, we can basically expect another another short squeeze if the CPI is positive. So the number is expectations are 2.7 and 0.3 on a monthly basis. Anything below 2.7 or 2.7 markets can have a run. So that's my speculation. Yeah, so moving to the charts again. Yeah, we have the sell side here, and the all-time high is sitting at 26,650. Again, on a daily chart, we are still compressed, but I think as long as we have another squeeze, you can see this ranging price action, and we have another squeeze, we are going to definitely try to update the all-time high. But on the other hand, we have on January 14, which is on Wednesday, we have that Supreme Court decision on tariffs, whether they are illegal or not. So yeah, so we're gonna have to wait and see. I think this is gonna be very interesting and exciting week for trading. Yeah, so on the other hand, on Bitcoin, we saw that Bitcoin is, of course, most of the times front running the market, and we had that huge upside momentum for a couple of days. Basically, the whole week it was up only on Bitcoin, and it took this liquidity from 94,500 and had a rejection. So currently we are at December open. So December open is still acting like a support. Maybe we can have one more leg to the upside and yeah, after that we will see. But again, I'm expecting for the last couple of times it has it went up only, and after CPI it rolled completely over. So if it is the case again, I think the next liquidity level is around 86,700, which is on the liquidity map too. So let me open the 2 week. Yeah, you can see we have a lot of liquidity from 88 to 8690, 87,000 basically. And I think that's gonna be taken after all. Yeah. And yeah, daily chart is still higher highs and higher lows. Maybe one more leg up if we're gonna have it, and then we will meet this 200 EMA and bull market band here. And after here, I'm expecting down only price action until the end of 2026 at least. So yeah, this cycle is over 100% for me on Bitcoin, and moving to Ethereum as well. You can see it doesn't even, it makes a lower high basically. And yeah, this is the previous range currently, of course, sitting above December open and the yearly open, which is 3,000. Anything below 3,000, I think it is going to take 2,600, and eventually it will take 2,100 liquidity too from here. And the bear market will be down only for me, as I said, until at least September, October. Yeah, the base case for me on Ethereum, we can have basically one more leg up to take this liquidity around 3650. Maybe, and then to have distribution until the November open area, 3,850, 3,900, and after that, down only. And USDT dominance looks like cooled off enough. On a weekly chart, you can see we have this squeeze, bullish on the USDT dominance squeeze, and looks like we're kind of trying to find some bottoming here structurally. We can go as low as this area to meet 200 EMA to reclaim it, and then have another leg up to 8% and even higher. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the crypto wise. And yeah, as I said, after CPI, I'm expecting the price action to go down on Ethereum and Bitcoin, or even if it is not, we're gonna have that rollover after FOMC as the pause is already priced in. After the strong unemployment data, I think yeah, so the market's already priced in a pause. And on the other hand, we have very bullish NQ. We have new all-time high on ES. So yeah, we will see what's going to bring us this week. Stay bullish. Structurally, it is bullish. Unless we have some geopolitical event, NQ looks very, very bullish to me. So yeah, let's have a look on. Let's wait and see what's going to happen on Tuesday and Wednesday on CPI. So thank you so much. Bye.